Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a feast. We have a seafood boil, we have king crab, corn, we have sausage, potatoes, eggs, mussels.
I'm gonna enjoy this.
And then we do have right here
Show them,
some
girl.
sauce. Okay, this is Dame Dash sauce. Told you guys that we love the sauce before, so I made it from his YouTube channel. He has an actual video on how to make it because the one that I bought online last time was sold out. So I made my own. And before we dig in, guys, I want to let you guys see my outfit of the day.
Show them now. I'll come back now.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I hope you like First Lady outfit of the day, cause I do.
All right, guys, we are hungry, so we're gonna dig in. I'm telling you, we're hungry.
Damn, this sauce.
Hungry. Wow. Even without the sauce, something tastes good.
I know. Come on, my chest. Yo, no, today, what's gonna happen, First Lady? The beard.
A beard?
He's an egg. He's an egg. It's dripping.
If you hear clapping, it's
no,
alright.
we're not snapping if you hear clapping. Damn.
That.
First Lady.
Dickety.
This shit, I can't even say what I want to say in the First Lady. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. I'll tell you after.
Okay, but, okay. Question. His sauce, the one that I made from scratch, compared to the one that I bought from him that he made, does it taste the same?
Tastes the same, but
It tastes the same, but the only difference is I added more cayenne pepper to give it a more of a kick. So that means that the ingredients that he's giving you is the same ingredients.
yeah.
You know how some people make something and then they ship it to you, it tastes one way, but then when you make it, it don't taste the same? Even something tastes the same, man.
I keep my mouth shut. Come on, let me know. Let me know I say.
What do you want to say?
Man, y'all don't. I can't worry about beer because you're gonna get in the way.
I hope you guys had a great weekend.
For real. How was your weekend? Happy Monday. We had an excellent weekend. I didn't even start yet.
Hold on. I missed a piece of meat.
Maybe?
Shrimp.
First Lady,
nothing.
this is delicious as always.
Thank you, honey.
Always, girl.
That extra cayenne pepper? That's what I love.
Yo,
We got a potato.
show them, girl. Those king crab ain't no joke.
They big.
They big. That king crab wanna break my pocket.
Yeah, they're expensive.
Expensive, yo. But it's all good.
It's a once in a while thing here.
Once in a while. Yeah. Once in a while, First Lady. Well, you deserve it, you know what I'm saying?
Full of chat today.
I was full of chat.
That's true.
You deserve it, first lady.
So do you, honey.
That's what you want. I tried. Yo.
You do a great job.
These green lip mussels. That's what you call them? They hitting. I got scared for. I squeeze this almost blind you with the sauce, right?
I don't know where to go in it.
I want to put out my skin in them because
I suck my skin because
that's where juice is out there.
you have to.
Juicy juice. Family.
This is really good. And I had it sitting too.
Had it sitting. First lady. You're bad panic cooking, no?
Come on. I'm not gonna lie.
Bad
You're
man. You're bad man. You're bad. You're free.
Look at that. I'll give you guys some.
Give them some. You make it drip for y'all.
I'm making a mess too.
Don't worry, we make it drip for them. Seafood. Sauce. Yes, sauce. We get that line on it. Come on, you know how to tell them now. Come on.
Oh! Did you guys have fun at our party?
Yeah. Oh, I forgot all about that. Wow. Thanks for bringing it up. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
I'll go all day.
You go all day. Bless.
Bad guys, I was sneezing too much there.
She was going for days.
So
If you're gonna see the sneezing contest, you win, you know?
I sneezed like 5 times back to back.
So how did y'all like the party?
We had fun.
We had fun.
We was dropping it and doing it.
Yeah, we had fun, I ain't gonna lie. Appreciate everybody for coming out. No?
Unfortunately though,
Tell them what.
the live is no longer up because too much copyright music, but we kind of knew that. We just wanted to have fun, you know what I mean? And just have a nice party. But this Friday we're gonna go live at what, 6 p.m.?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. we're gonna go live. Grown folks talking, just chilling, just talking, you know?
Yeah. I mean, just talking.
No music though.
No music. No music this time.
But we're gonna be talking and having fun.
But we already planned for that party already, so we know what time it was, alright?
Because we needed a party, man.
First lady.
You want king crab?
We touch a king crab, it no?
The sausage.
The sausage, man.
Wow. It's a mountain of food. Honey, I didn't even eat a corn yet. You yam corn yet?
One corn, you know.
Really?
We can't even see the corn, you know.
I'm calling them very deep in the food.
See that? Rawness in there. Look at this. It's tripping.
And it's beef sausage, y'all.
Beef. You know, first lady ain't gonna give me no pork. She won't do that to me.
No pork for the bread.
Fast and Ross. Just shake quick.
I'm finished.
It's so good. I don't want to sit no juice yet.
You know what? Even drink no juice from you.
I don't want to get not even close to full.
I'm finished.
You know what, family? Guess what I found out? I'm non-allergic to food.
He's non-allergic to food. It's the best thing he discovered.
Best thing I ever discovered. First lady told me that to hell. Yeah, she told me that first lady. What? I'm not. What?
He's not allergic to food because he can yam everything.
She told me that. I was so shocked. Best thing she ever told me.
The skin of the shrimp, you have to suck on it.
You know, sir? I'm going to use some here. Can you have one of them by yourself alone? You can get piece of mind weight big?
It is big.
It's huge.
It is big. Man, this is hitting. This is really, really, really good. Dame Dash sauce is really good.
It is.
And even if you make it on your own, it's still good.
It's good. It is good.
But if you can support him and order it.
True, man. Y'all see what we're talking about.
We was dancing at the party.
That party was turned.
It was turn up.
I see y'all ladies too. I seen y'all was dropping it. Yeah.
We had so much fun.
It was fun. You know? Good little vibe. Party talk. You know what I'm saying? Nice, you know? You know what I mean? I said this Friday, just talking. You know what I mean?
I hope you guys like the quality of what is. The video looks different because we got a camera. We got a new camera. Well, you know, it's not really a new camera, but my mother gave me this camera before, and I'm starting to use it again.
If you like the quality, give us a thumbs up in the comment.
Because the camera,
Beard, huh? Hold you, girl. No, you can't.
the camera's quality was good too. I mean, my phone quality was good too, but I'm not gonna lie, the phone is much easier to edit and just upload. But you gotta make sure we guys giving you good quality. You guys can see the food, you know, up close and personal.
And don't look for me, I eat. See the food. What?
What is it?
You haven't done anything? I haven't eaten any that food yet.
I got me actually. Everything was alive. Can't watch seafood, man.
Take your time, seafood, girl. See? Seafood. You gotta see the food. All right. I want to go to the big part now.
You want that king crab?
Yeah, we get it one to you. I want to go to the king crab. When the man say King Kong ain't got nothing on him.
King Kong.
The mussels them taste so good. Look at this, family. Look at this.
All the onions. You know we love onions.
God. So what y'all got planned for today? I really want to know. Another hot day in Florida. Scorching.
You want a king crab, my love?
Yeah, we could take it from.
Or a lemon yon yon.
No man, when I french fries it. French fry, what I do? The shrimp. You got it, girl? Want to break it? Yeah, I'm gonna break it for you. Watch out. Excuse me, I'm breaking for you.
Oh!
Ooh.
You got that part. I need this part. You want it? Oh, you have the scissors, honey?
This shit big, son.
Oh, I have the scissors. Okay.
First lady.
Uh-huh.
This shit big enough? Yeah. Don't cut it?
Yeah, I'm cut it for you.
See? She cut it for me. Cut it my baby. Don't go chatting now?
Okay, you can just open it like a book.
Open like a book and read. Like a journal.
And it's good.
Gotta get it good. I gotta let them family see how it look good, man. Take out that piece there. Like your eye, like I go to your eye.
I'm smelling it. Ooh.
Wow.
It's kind of, let me see, maybe it's just that piece. It tastes kind of salty. No? Maybe it's just me.
It's probably just you. Look at that. Wow, we're dipping that sauce now. Dipping up on that sauce, girl. Saucy. Look at that. You know sauce first, lady. Good. Perfect.
Oh, cause you know, the king crab is already cooked. You're just heating it up, basically. So you don't need to really add more seasoning.
Wow.
It does come salty. Is the sauce hot enough? Like with heat? You don't like my food to be hot.
Perfect. And it can be no more hotter. That match right there.
One king crab, what are you doing?
You gotta get half of me, get half. You can eat might be some mine. That's what you're doing, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna give
Yeah. You get that.
just give me one piece.
There, keep your mind. Watch out. This is the part you like anyway. Me do.
I'm just gonna give me one piece.
Yeah. Yeah. You like that part?
You can call her?
Huh?
She come out here?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the part that you like too.
Them big enough for real, Tom.
Come on, let me be. Maybe I'm this. Yeah, my sausage.
And you say you want big thing. I'm big man. We have to cook one.
One will be good.
Yeah.
And it will last even longer.
This king crab is big. See?
Whew. Time to drink some water now.
Yeah. Gotta eat. I ain't got nothing to say today. I gotta enjoy this shit. Gotta eat.
Guys, let me tell you something. When you have seafood, can't chat too much of it.
Can't chat too much, man. You have to eat, man.
Okay, translation. When you're eating a lot of seafood, you can't talk too much. Because
you will miss certain things.
you might miss your mouth.
I don't want to miss nothing. I want to get up in everything.
You want to get up in there.
Get up in there. I'm doing up in there. You got egg. Excuse me. You got egg already?
Sure did. Wow.
Make you want to slap yourself. You didn't eat no corn first, but you asked for corn. You want? You said corn. You did? Oh.
I'm a fast man.
Okay, I see that now. This is good. It was worth it. It was worth it. Yeah, it was worth it too.
Yeah. I love mussels.
Look how big this is, yo.
That is huge.
Ah, damn it. A huge king crab for a huge brother. Oh shit, now please that juke me now?
Yeah, them juky. You gotta be careful with them.
Yeah, juky careful. Damn, that means just white and flaky, son. That should come like...
You guys know that Richie, after Richie drank the Magnum.
Oh my goodness, God. Here she going now. Here she going now.
After Richie drank the Magnum.
Tell her my business now.
I'm finished drinking like 4 or 5 lady drinks, wine cooler.
Yeah.
My God, go right to in bed.
I was out for the count, family. I felt nice. Yeah, man.
He went right to his bed.
Yo.
No lingering.
I walked into the kitchen, family. I bumped right into the wall. I didn't even know what's going on. I felt good though.
Oh shit! The fuck?
I might have chat too much. You see what happened? What happened when you chat too much?
For real?
Yeah. Family, I felt nice. That lady drink, I had me feeling some type of way. Yeah.
I'm not embarrassed.
It had me feeling some type of way. I had to, you know what I mean? I had to step up my game and just jump right in my bed. I felt nice.
That was the funniest thing ever. I was like, Quint, he was in his bed. I said, my God.
Knocked out.
Knocked out.
You feel me? Feel good though, but it was fun though. I enjoyed it. Appreciate all of you, you know. Likewise, you know.
Yeah, we had. I'm telling you guys. I
Appreciate
hope
all of
you
y'all.
guys had fun.
I hope you had fun. You know what I'm saying?
Everyone who came and chat and talk, I
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Yep.
So we see you Friday at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Grown folks chatting.
Home Folk Part 2.
A tree, no, the
Part
fun.
yeah, Part 3. We're gonna talk about, you know what it is. We're gonna lay it there. Right, First Lady?
Talk about everything.
Everything.
Come with your topics.
Yeah. Come with some topics, you know what I'm saying? We talk about it. Okay?
But I do want to say something though.
What happened?
I do want to say that if you're doing something now, and you're saying to yourself, why didn't I do this a year ago? Why didn't I do it 2 years ago? Or why did I stop what I was doing?
Yeah.
You know? So it's hot. You gotta understand, I feel like everything is for a reason.
For a reason, right?
And if you stopped when you stopped doing something, it was for a reason. You
Yeah.
don't know the reason yet, but God knows the reason. And it will come back around where you will say to yourself, man, I'm glad I stopped at that time.
Yeah.
Or I'm glad I continued. Or I'm glad, you know, this is when I began doing whatever it is I'm doing.
Yeah. Because it wasn't meant to be that time.
Exactly.
So now it's meant to be.
Exactly. Prime example.
Yeah.
When I started YouTube, I said to my husband, man, I should have been started. It just wasn't meant for me to start then. Because when I started, I ended up feeling lonely by myself because my husband and the kids will be in the kitchen eating and I'm here. Even though I'm talking to you guys, I still didn't have, you know, because my husband and I are used to eating together. And he came and he was like, okay, I'll do it with you. So it worked out for the better because now we're doing it together. And we have so much fun. Not that I didn't have fun before, but we have more fun.
Yeah.
And we get to do something together. I mean, how much more stuff can we do together?
Come on, no, itch up on me like your blood.
Like me a panty.
Yeah, like your panty, man. Don't want to leave my side, man.
So, well, I guess in a nutshell, stop questioning. Why didn't you do it before? Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
It's the time to do it now.
Yeah.
Whatever it is. If you're starting something, do it now. If you're recreating something, do it now.
Yeah.
You know?
Don't stop now.
And don't keep on doing it on the past.
Yeah.
Because ain't nothing that you can do about it. It's done.
Past is the past. That's true. That's really true, verse lady. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So whoever relate, bless you.
Okay, it's a pepper now.
Man, relate. But it's true though, you know what I'm saying? Don't dwell in the past. Keep it pushing. Was it meant to be, was it meant to be, but now? Was it meant to be for y'all? Go get it.
Go get it. And once you start it, don't stop.
Yep.
And that can
Yeah, don't stop. Keep grinding.
keep grinding. Because you can only go up from there.
Yeah. Remember, you gotta creep before you walk. All right. You can't just start walking like that. You gotta creep first. Now, true, first lady.
True.
Yeah.
Very true.
For real. I heard a quote the other day. It said, "Strangers are your best motivators." They said, the person that's close to you or your friends that you have, they your worst downfall.
Yeah.
You
Well,
know what I'm saying? They don't want, you know what I'm saying?
yeah.
They so close to you, they were like, okay, such and such, how they doing this? You know what I mean? We talked about that before.
Yeah.
But when I heard that question, I said, wow.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah.
It's sad.
Yeah.
But it makes
Family
sense.
members also said family members.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you will post something, let's say you got a product,
Yeah.
and you're posting it on your Facebook or Instagram, and 9 times out of 10 it's a stranger who's buying it.
Yep.
Not your friends, not your family, or promoting it.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying all family members are like that, but the
Yeah, not
majority
all,
of them
yep.
are like that. They're like, I'm not gonna buy it. He should be giving it to me for free.
Exactly.
And they don't understand it doesn't work like that.
Like when I heard that and I read that, I looked into it, I said, you're right.
Yeah.
True.
Or you have a business
Yeah.
and your friends are like, oh, can I have a discount? Okay, but why is it that you want a discount from me, but if you go to Burlington or if you go to, you know, whatever, you can't say to them,
give me a discount.
They're gonna look at you like, yeah, this is the price, pay it or get out.
True. True. Me nothing at first, you know, some come up, I'm full man. Yeah, man, I'm full man. Full man.
How?
I am full.
This is world history.
Cause it's, yo, I'm full, I ate a lot, you know?
A lot.
It was piled up. But we got the whole day for this.
I think it's because you didn't eat all day and you feel like gas. Gas.
Gas took me over, family, so I gotta.
There's nothing in here. Something in
I
here.
gotta wait till later to finish this. Let me see what's in here. Yeah.
Oh, something there.
Yeah. Couldn't give you a story time today because I had a story time for you today. You know what I'm saying? couldn't give you that one today. Because I have to eat this again, you know, I gotta enjoy. So that's a tomorrow video. So tune in.
A napkin?
You want napkin?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Full of napkin.
Full of napkin, man.
This thing a beer cutting.
Beer cutting thing.
Oh.
We appreciate y'all as always. Thank y'all for the support. You know what I'm saying? Love y'all family. Don't forget to... What?
No, love.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And remember, tomorrow, you're going to want to know about this.
Yes. I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. We full, guys.
Food nice, you know?
We full, though.
Yo, the food tastes like you know?
Bye!
Yo, food nice, you know?